Hello and welcome back, viewers. It's been a long time since we've connected with each other and needed a bit of break from things. And now I'm back with a few good videos for you. And a few of you have remained on the channel, viewing my videos, asking questions, sharing comments. And I thank you all for your engagement. And I look forward to your valuable inputs and questions as it allows me to explore more and also share those respective videos to provide you the answers for those comments. So now I'll circle back to an older video of mine which related to our QR code. However, it contained generating a QR code for each line item. Today I'll be showing you how you can generate those in bulk so you can have a list of items which you can then modify and also include and then generate QR codes for each and every one of them. So this is page or the sheet that you are looking at. This is the end result. You have a name, you have an email, you have an inventory number. So this is hypothetically, mapping of inventory item to any person, can be within the organization or anywhere else. And it's subsequent QR code. So you have this QR code generated and then you can use it anywhere you like to keep track of your inventory and who it is assigned to. So how we'll reach this stage, I'll show you in my video today. So remain connected and let's start with it. So let's go to our working sheet. So this is how it's happening at the background. So over here, if I go back, you see we don't have the first column. So this is the one that I've hidden over there. So I'll show you why. So we have a name, we have an email address, and we have an inventory number which needs to be tagged. And the objective is to generate a QR code which is tagging all of these information and generate it in a bulk volume. So, and one more important thing is that the objective is to have that QR code embedded within the Excel cell. Because if you recall my previous video, you can see the link as well in the iCard. So it had a hovering of QR code which you need to make sure that falls into the cell. So in this case, it will be embedded inside the cell. It's because it will utilize an Excel's internal message or internal function rather, sorry, to generate that QR code. And we'll be using Google API for generating the QR code itself. So you will need an internet if you're using this one. Let me show how it will happen. So you have the name, we have the details. And what I've done is because this API that you see over here will generate a QR code for the information that's provided to it, but it will need information in one object, right? So since these are considered three different objects, what I've done is I've created a concatenated information over here, and you can see how concatenation works in Excel. In another video of mine, I'll make sure I'll share the video link for that as well. So just to summarize, I have created this concatenated information of these columns into one column over here that's named merge. And then I'll be using this to generate a QR code. So let's get started. So we have this email, this API link, which we will use. Let me just copy it. And don't worry, I'll have this pasted in my video description for your close reference. Excuse me. So we'll be using a function in Excel. It is called image. That's usually available in the newer versions of Excel that we have. So it requires source, and by source, we will give it that this link, we spaced it in in double quotes, and uh, along with it, I will use close these quotes. I will use the ampersand sign, which is used for concatenation, and give it this reference. And there you go. That's QR generated for this information, and all you need to do is simply drag this down. So it will apply to each of the cells, and as you can see, it generated these QR codes for each one of them. So and if you want, you can hide this information away, and we're back to the similar way that we started. So this was a short video for today. I hope this will answer a lot of questions that you guys have been asking. So this is morely focused on generating QR codes in a bulk volume. So you don't have to enter each one of them by separately, and also have them embedded within Excel Excel cell site. So if you reduce this, so it will also reduce the price. So this is very convenient. So you don't have to resize all the images in case you want to see all the records in one place. So thank you for joining in, and keep viewing the channel. And as always, please click the like button and subscribe if you haven't done so already. Until our next video, take care of yourselves, and bye bye.